Ganun lang pag alanganin, bitawan mo lang bike. Gusto mo ilahin ko?
Oo. Yung sa Ilocos.
Sige, taas ka dito ah. Straight mo lang ha. Diba?
I will go to my
Your arm get caught in it?
Hmm?
Your arm get caught like?
No, it's like when the motor is like go forward, and I'm.
It's like
I'm
maybe
going
pull
back,
the
let
muscle.
go.
Sige, pahinga muna kaya. Sige, taas ka na lang ah. Ah?